The Psychology with Criminology course is perfect for those students who would like to be able to taste both psychology and criminology. Now, because the course is accredited by the British Psychological Society, that means that they have to take about 70% of their modules in psychology, and they can take about 30% of the modules within criminology. In this course, we cover general psychology principles, but we also study psychological disorders, criminal profiling, but also general criminology theories and how they fit into the criminal justice system. So we have plenty of opportunities for our students to experience real-life situations within the course. For example, students have been able to attend live trials in the Crown Court, which is located just around the corner from the university. We have had students who have been able to, together with a lecturer, attend the Old Bailey, so they are able to observe trials at the Old Bailey. Together, this allows the students to get a really nice opportunity to experience what the criminal justice system looks like.
Studying psychology with criminology is amazing for your future and your career because it gives you the best of both worlds. If you're unsure if you want to go down psychology or criminology, it gives you a choice of both. So I'm going to use my degree in doing a master's in forensic psychology.
In the Science Center, we also have various different experimental suites, which are various different labs and rooms that allow the students to take part in various different research projects. We have, for example, various different experimental suites, including electrophysiology, which is basically how we study the brain throughout the year, throughout the various different trimesters. We have the opportunity for students to attend various different employment fairs. So these are fairs where employers come and tell students or recruit students onto the workforce. And these opportunities are fantastic for employability, for making sure that the students have enough work experience in order to be able to build their CV and to help them with their career prospects in the future. Thank you very much for your interest in the Psychology with Criminology course at Anglia Ruskin University. We hope to see you soon in one of our open days or on our campus.